Mastering coupon management in WooCommerce boosts sales and delight customers. Welcome, fellow WooCommerce enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of coupon management using WooCommerce. Buckle up as we unveil the secrets to creating irresistible discounts, promotions, and customer delights. Today we are going to explore the topics displayed on the screen. Number 1. Advantages of coupons. Number 2. Creating coupons for your store. Number 3. Strategic coupon distribution. Number 4. Measuring coupon success. Number 5. Delighting customers with coupons. The power of coupons drives sales and customer loyalty. Let's kick things off by exploring the incredible power of coupons in driving sales and fostering customer loyalty. You have the ability to attract new customers, incentivize repeat purchases, and keep your existing customers coming back for more. Well, folks, that's exactly what coupons can do for your WooCommerce store. Let's get into the details. Advantages of coupons. Number 1. Attracting new customers. Tempt potential customers with exclusive discounts. Next is rewarding loyalty. Express gratitude to loyal shoppers with special offers. And last but not least, boosting average order value. Encourage customers to spend more with enticing deals. Creating irresistible coupons for your store. Let's get hands-on with coupon creation and entice your customers with irresistible offers. Step 1. Accessing the coupon creation page. Head to your WordPress admin dashboard if you need help logging in. Check out my tutorial linked in the description. Under the Marketing section, click on Coupons. Step 2. Adding a new coupon. Once you're on the coupons page, click on Add Coupon to open a new page where you'll input the coupon details. Step 3. Coupon General Settings. In the General section, provide a unique coupon code and a brief description. Choose the appropriate coupon type from the drop-down menu. Set the coupon amount and indicate if free shipping is allowed. Don't forget to specify the expiry date for the coupon's validity. Step 4. Usage Restriction Settings. In the Usage Restrictions section, enter the minimum and maximum spend amount for customers to avail the coupon. Choose individual use only if the coupon is meant for specific customers. Decide whether to exclude already sold items from the coupon offer. Optionally, you can include or exclude specific products and specific categories. Step 5. In the Usage Limits section, set the usage limit per coupon to define the total number of times the coupon can be used, considering all users collectively. Specify the usage per user to restrict individual users from utilizing the coupon beyond a certain limit, allowing them to enjoy the discount for a limited time. Step 6. Publish your coupon. In the Publish section, on the right-hand side, you have the option to publish immediately or schedule the coupon for any specific date. Step 7. Viewing available coupons. To view all the available coupons, head back to the admin dashboard and click on Coupons under the Marketing section. Remember, WooCommerce provides additional coupon extensions, but most of your coupon needs can be covered using this tutorial. The extensions are displayed on the screen for informational purposes. Get ready to attract more customers with captivating coupons in your WooCommerce store. strategic coupon distribution reach the right audience? Now that your coupons are ready, let's explore how to distribute them strategically to reach your target audience. Imagine sending out your offers to the right people at the right time. With strategic coupon distribution, you can create a buzz and generate excitement around your brand. Coupon distribution strategies. We'll unveil powerful strategies such as 1. Email campaigns. Reach your existing customers with personalized coupon codes. 2. Social media teasers. Tease your upcoming deals to build anticipation and engagement. 3. Partner collaborations. Collaborate with influencers or partners to widen your coupon reach. Measuring coupon success. Analyzing performance. Once your coupons are out in the wild, let's measure their success and analyze their performance. Using WooCommerce reports. Utilize WooCommerce reports to track coupon usage, sales performance, and customer engagement. Few more techniques are conversion rate analysis, average order value, AOV, comparison, and customer retention rate. Knowledge is power. By understanding how your coupons are performing, you can fine-tune your coupon strategy for even better results. Delighting customers with coupons, the final touch. Last but not least, let's explore how to delight your customers with thoughtful coupon gestures. Surprise and delight. Surprise your customers with exclusive coupons on special occasions like birthdays or anniversaries. A little appreciation goes a long way. Congratulations, coupon wizards! You've mastered the art of coupon management with WooCommerce. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to boost your sales, attract new customers, and create customer delights with the power of coupons. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we'll be happy to assist you.